Alright, for today's video we are going to transplant some of our avocado trees. These guys are about 7 to 8 months old now, and this guy is just about a year and 2 months. And you can see all these leaves. This is a lot of frost damage from the winter. I left him outside, or I left this one outside, and these ones I brought indoors, and they did really good. And for the summer heat, I want them to grow and get pretty strong just like this one. However, in the winter time I might have to protect these, but what I'm going to do is take them out of these little 1-gallon pots and put them in these bigger 15 gallons. And I decided to go with 15-gallon pots because this pot is just way too big. This avocado will grow all day long in this container. That container is actually kind of too big. It's better to have them in 15 gallons. And some people would have just grafted this guy. They would have cut off near the bottom, but I like to see all my avocados grow first, and then once they get bigger and healthier like this guy, I'll just take one of these side branches and I'll graft onto it later in its life. Not really worried about grafting when it's really young. I'm just gonna let it grow, do its thing, and then we're gonna go ahead and transplant these over.
While transplanting your avocados, you definitely want to take your time and make sure that you're not pulling or tugging and not ripping any of the root structure. I did try to show you guys the root structure right here, but I kind of missed the camera angle and it was a little too quick. But don't worry, on the second avocado, you'll be able to see just how root bound the tree actually was. And after I transplant these guys, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the footage, and I'm going to spread some 6-month slow release fertilizer. And this is just something for the plants to eat in the meantime as they develop and grow into the summer. And then once I finish putting down some of the fertilizer, I'm just going to backfill with some of the soil that was already in the containers. And definitely need to angle some of the trees so that they don't grow sideways. That's one tip or one change that I would make, especially with this tree on the right. It's kind of angled still, but once you have them at the right angle, they'll do just fine. For this next part of the video, we're on to my favorite part, which is installing the drip irrigation. I don't like to hand water all my plants. I have way too many and it's very time consuming. So this is what the system looks like once it's running. These are ½ gallon per hour. And I do need to kind of readjust the system because some of these drippers do drip a little bit faster than others. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like.